It was a sunny morning. Sophie, a 7-year-old girl, was with her grandmother, Nana. Sophie loved visiting Nana. Today, Nana promised to take Sophie to the supermarket. Sophie was very excited. Nana picked up her basket. "Are you ready, Sophie?" Nana asked. Sophie smiled and jumped. "Yes, Nana. Can I push the cart?" Nana laughed. "Yes, but be careful." They walked to the supermarket, holding hands. The street was quiet. Sophie looked around and saw the blue sky and green trees. She was happy. When they got to the supermarket, the doors opened by themselves. Sophie's eyes were wide. She loved the supermarket. There were many colors, fruits, vegetables, and other foods. Nana gave Sophie the shopping list. "Here, Sophie. We need to buy these things." Sophie looked at the list. Bananas, milk, bread. "I can help, Nana." Nana smiled and said, "Good. Let's start with the bananas." Sophie found the bananas. "Here, Nana. Bananas," Sophie said. Nana put the bananas in the cart. Sophie felt proud. Next, they went to the bread section. There were many kinds of bread. Sophie liked the smell of fresh bread. "Nana, the bread smells good," Sophie said. Nana agreed. "Yes, it does. Let's choose this one." Sophie put the bread in the cart. She liked helping Nana. Then, they went to the milk. There were many bottles of milk. "Nana, which milk do we need?" Sophie asked. Nana said, "We need the small bottle." Sophie found the small bottle and put it in the cart. "Good job, Sophie," Nana said. Sophie smiled. She liked being a good helper. Next, they went to the vegetables. Nana wanted to buy some carrots and potatoes. Sophie helped pick the best ones. She felt important. "Nana, are we almost done?" Sophie asked. "Almost, dear. Just a few more things," Nana said. They went to get some cheese and eggs. Sophie carefully carried the eggs. "Nana, I'm careful," Sophie said. Nana smiled. "You're doing great, Sophie." After they got all the food, they went to the checkout. Sophie watched the cashier scan the items. The machine made beeping sounds. Sophie thought it was fun. "Can I help put the food in the bags?" Sophie asked. "Yes, of course," Nana said. Sophie helped put the food in the bags. She liked helping. When they finished, Nana paid for the food and they took the bags home. On the way home, Sophie looked at Nana. "Nana, I had so much fun today." Nana smiled and said, "I had fun too, Sophie. You were a big help today." Sophie felt proud. She hugged her Nana. "I love you, Nana," Sophie said. "I love you too, Sophie," Nana said softly. They got home, and Sophie helped put the food in the kitchen. After they finished, Nana made a snack for Sophie. They sat together and ate. Sophie thought about how much she loved spending time with her Nana.